What does presume mean? Presume means to believe something is true without having complete proof. In simple words, presume means to assume something based on what you think is likely. People often presume something when they do not have full information but make a reasonable guess. For example, I presume he is at work because his car is not at home. This means the person believes he is at work, even without confirmation. Presume is often used in formal conversations, writing, or professional communication. For example, the teacher presumed that the students had finished their homework. Here are more example sentences. She presumed the meeting was canceled because no one arrived. He presumed that the package had already been delivered. The manager presumed the report was completed. In simple terms, presume means to believe something is true without full proof. Easy way to remember. Presume means assume something is true.